Hey everyone, welcome back to the celeb world. Today we've got exciting news from the Danish royal family. King Frederik and Queen Mary just dropped a major announcement about their son, Crown Prince Christian, and his future. Spoiler alert, it's all about his military journey. Let's jump right in. Crown Prince Christian, the 19-year-old heir to the Danish throne, is stepping up big time. On May 19th, 2025, the Danish royal palace shared that Christian has completed an intense military exercise and is now headed for an even bigger challenge. He's been accepted into the lieutenant's training course with the Guard Hussar Regiment starting in August 2025. So, what's this big military move? Christian's been training with the Guard Hussar Regiment in Slagelse since February. He just finished a super tough 4-day exercise called the Rex Tour. And let me tell you, it was no walk in the park. The Rex Tour is a grueling challenge. Christian carried 25 to 30 kilos of gear, that's like a huge backpack, and covered around 40 miles in just 4 days. He even took on extra patrols as second in command. Sleep? Barely. He got only a couple of 2-hour breaks each day, and just one field ration of food for the whole exercise. Talk about tough. Christian crushed it and earned his Rex badge, proving he's got what it takes. This guy is following in his dad's footsteps. King Frederik was a military man too, serving in the Royal Life Guards and even the elite Frogmen Corps. But it's not just about the military. Christian's been preparing for his future as king in other ways too. Last year, after graduating high school, he spent 3 months in East Africa, working on farms and learning about conservation. Now, with his lieutenant's training course, he'll spend a year training and then serve as a platoon leader. That's a big step for Denmark's future king. King Frederik and Queen Mary must be super proud of their son. Christian's not just a royal, he's showing he's ready to lead with strength and heart. Plus, with his siblings, Princess Isabella, Prince Vincent, and Princess Josephine cheering him on, the Danish royals are a tight-knit crew. This announcement has royal fans buzzing. Christian's military journey is a big deal, and it shows he's serious about his duties. By the end of May, he'll wrap up his current training, and then it's full speed ahead for his lieutenant course. So, what do you think of Crown Prince Christian's big move? Are you impressed by his military grit? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell for more royal updates from the celeb world. Stay awesome everyone.